Good afternoon, standard 10 students. 8. Today some more question I am going to solve from exercise 12.2. By using the only three form y is equal to mx plus c, second form y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, third one y1 minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 x minus x1. These three form and the parallel condition, two lines are said to be parallel when their slopes are equal. Two lines are said to be perpendicular when the product of the slope will be equal to minus 1. By using this concept, we will solve some question related to the 12.2. Question number 4 or question number 3 है 2x minus by plus 5 is equal to 0, 1 and ax plus 3y is equal to 2. Second equation are parallel given. So what is the relation between a and b we have to find? What is the relation between a and b that we have to find? Since it is given parallel, it means slope of the first line and slope of the second line will be equal. So first of all, find out what is the slope of the first line. So 2x plus 5 is equal to by, or we can write y is equal to 2 by bx plus 5 by b. So slope, let the slope be m1. m1 is 2 by b. This is the slope of the first line. For the second line, find out the slope of the second line. Since it is 3y is equal to minus ax plus 2. So y is equal to minus a by 3x plus 2 by 3. So slope, let the slope of the second line is into minus a by 3. This is now given these two lines are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other means their slope will be equal. To equalize the slope, m1 will be equal to m2. According to the questions, they are given parallel. The parallel means slope will be equal. m1 is 2 by b, m2 is minus a by 3. What is the relations? We can write or 6 is equal to minus ab or b is equal to write 6 minus 6 by 8. This is the relations. 8. Question number 4. 3x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is first equation. 4x plus ay plus 9 is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Then we have to find the value of a. This question is in board examination 2018. So we have to find what is the value of, and given the condition, what condition given? Both the lines are perpendicular. Is it perpendicular? No? Yes, it is perpendicular to each other. So first of all, find out what is the slope of the first line. Let the slope 3x plus 7 is equal to 5y, or we can write y is equal to 3 by 5x plus 7 by 5. So when we compare y is equal to mx plus c, m will be 3 by 5. The slope of the first line is 3 by 5. Let the slope of the first line is m1. So m1 first line slope, m1 is 3 by 5. Now find out the slope of the second line and let us denote the slope of the second line by m2. So find the slope. ay is equal to minus 4x minus 9, y is equal to minus 4 by ax minus 9 by a. So slope, let the slope is equal to minus 4 m2, that is minus 4. Right. So slope of the first line is m1 is 3 by 4. Let the slope of the second line is m2, that is minus 4 by 8. Now it is given perpendicular. Both the lines are given perpendicular to each other. Then we have to find the value of a. Then we know that if two lines, a straight line parallel, it means their slopes are equal. And second, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, it means the product of their slope will be equal to minus 1. So use this condition, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 we have 3 by 5, m2 minus 4 by 8 is equal to minus 1, so minus will be cancelled. So 12 by 5a is equal to 1, 8. Or we can say that a is equal to 12 by 5. This is the value. 8. So 4.2.4 is the answer. See question number 7. 7 given a minus 2 3, b 4b, perpendicular to 2x minus 4y is equal to 5. Find the value of b. This coordinate given a minus 2 3, b 4b, 8, and this line 2x minus 4y is equal to 5, perpendicular given. Then we have to find the value of b, unknown. So we know that if two coordinates are given or 2 points are given, how to find the slope, because perpendicular or parallel case we need slope. So from the given two coordinate or point, easily we can find out the slope by using the formula. Which one? To find the slope, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, anyone, suppose this is x1 y1 and this will x2 y2. So let's slope m, y2 b minus y1 3, x2 4 minus minus 2, that is b minus 3, and 4 plus 2, that is b minus 3 by 6. This is the slope of the coordinate AB. Right? Now what is the slope of the line? This one. So find out. Let us, this slope is m1. This slope is m1. b minus 3 by 6. Now let the slope of this one is m2. To find out slope, 2x minus 5 is equal to 4y. Y is equal to 2 by 4x minus 5 by 4. Cancel. Y is equal to 1 by 2x minus 5 by 4. So slope m2 is equal to 1 by 2. The slope of this line 2x minus 4y is equal to 5a. After simplifying or comparing with y square plus plus it is coming 1 by 2. The slope of a and b is b minus 3 by 6. Slope of this 2x minus 4y minus 5 is 1 by 2. And it is given perpendicular, then we have to find the value of b. So what is the condition for the perpendicular? The slope, product of the slope must be equal to minus 1. So m1 into m2 must be equal to minus 1. m1 is b minus 3 by 6. m2 is 1 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, simplify it. b minus 3 is equal to 12 minus 12. Minus sign is here, so it's 12 minus 12. So b is equal to 3 minus 12, that is equal to minus 9. So value of b is minus 9. This way we have to solve the questions of this exercise. For more questions I will solve you next. Thank you.